So hi, my name is Afif. So I belong to Shahada, very small town located in northern side of Maharashtra. I completed my Btech in computer engineering from SSCBS of College of Engineering in Dhule. I recently passed out of 2024, and in my last year I got opportunity to join the Qspiders Deccan Institute, where I chosen the software testing course and I enrolled. So in that course I learned Java from Shrikant sir. After that, I learned SQL from Ravi sir, then API testing from Nirbhay sir, and manual testing from Kedar sir. All of these trainers helped me very well to how can I improve my communication, how to give an answer in the interview, how can I crack the technical interviews, how to give your best into the interview, how to handle the challenges, whether you know the answer. Then people might get nervous. Then how can I avoid this nervousness? If I was not about the question, then how can I tackle those questions? So all of these trainers, they helped me very well. That how can I crack an interview? So that's how in 1 week. That's it.